Before we jump into the training, I thought it would be a good idea to have a look around Lightroom briefly and talk about some of the important topics we'll be focused on in this 3-hour training. Now, Lightroom 3 is an excellent upgrade and one that includes improvements in every part of the photographic process. So we'll start with things like the new import dialog, and we'll talk about how easy it is to browse through your drives and attached media, select your files, apply things like metadata and previews, and get those imported into your catalog as quickly as possible. Once we've got our files inside the library module, we're going to talk about all the different ways that we can organize and categorize our files, how we can keep our folders up to date and synchronized, and even how we can filter things so that we can see only the images we need to work with, including some new features in Lightroom 3. Then we're going to jump into the Develop module. We're going to talk about all the different tools we can use to perfect our images, including some new tools and a new process in the Detail panel that does an amazing job of removing luminance noise and other types of artifacts from our images, making them as clean as possible. And we're even going to talk about how we can use automated lens profiling to remove things like geometric distortion and chromatic aberration with the click of a button. Finally, we'll jump into the slideshow, print, and web modules, where we'll cover some of the most important tips for creating compelling presentations, slideshows, and print packages. In short, between Lightroom 3 and Photoshop CS5, Adobe has provided everything we need to take our digital photography to the next level. So let's go ahead and get started.